do everything like it's the first time. If you're not on my time, then you get curved now.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Pocket full of faces and it blue. Alright, start the car and I drop out the roof. I'm sliding.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Mr. DropSquad, back for another banger video. If you're new to the channel, man, y'all know what to do. Like this video up, comment below, and subscribe. So right now, y'all, we're gonna get this night started. Had to cut the camera back on. We are headed to this car beat. Pretty much we done let some time go by. Definitely don't want to show up too early and then like nobody be there, so gotta wait. But anyway, about 2 minutes out or so, it better be somebody here. Yeah, if not, y'all will never see this video.
Then turn right into the car park.
Turn right. Turn right. We in the hood, yo. We in the hood. Got scooters over there to my right. I don't even drink coffee like that at all. Uh-oh.
At the stop sign, turn right into the car park.
I'm gonna have to do a U-turn. The party's over there.
Turn right. Proceed to the route.
Proceed
Use
to
the
the
left
route.
lane to make a U-turn.
Alright, Siri. God dang. Siri be busting out
Turn left
commands.
into the car park.
She be like, proceed to the route. Get your motherfucking ass over there. Who in the parking lot
You
today?
entered the car park for your destination.
I sure did. Don't bag up on me. Don't bag up on me. BMWs. Okay, they got the hood up. Exposing what's up under the hood.
Arrived.
Yeah, but I gotta find somewhere to park, y'all. Motorcycle gang going crazy. We gonna see what it do. Is it cap? Damn, should I park in the cut, man? I just like to monitor my shit. Alright, we gonna cruise back this way for a minute. Come on. And I whip it. Bow. Yo. Do. It wasn't a bad drive. For sure. Probably see what they got going on after this. If not, then hit up a few more spots, go out, party, and go from there. Alright, we got a car coming in hot. Yeah, buddy. boy. Alright, cool. We'll leave that right there. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna cut the camera back on once I hop out and figure out what's going on. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. Yo, so we done made it over here to the spot. Where they got the cars lined up. Mustangs. Nothing new about that, but I don't think they got nothing did to the engine. That might be new for the cold air intake, or they're just a mass airflow, regular Roush engine. Okay. That's pretty much it, y'all. Stop. C8s are always golden on the list, super fast. Don't really have to do too much. Carbon fiber top.
You should have seen it from my view, because after I saw
Drop top Audi R8.
and then as I see you, you're like going, he's going up and over, and you see all this dust
Clean
coming out from
interior.
behind the car.
Or to be like 32 years old.
We were moving on that street because there's no one was over there, and it was literally there was no car.
I will remember that day forever. Okay, that is I have never been arrested for this.
Yeah, that was what it was.
Yeah.
He's like, man, let's do it again. I'm like, no.
Oh yeah,
Got a McLaren right here. Carbon fiber back. Dual exhaust pipes. Let me get that interior for y'all. Y'all see what's going on with that action. That's fine. McLaren's go so hard with the designs on the door and everything, man. Then you got the whole ventilation system back here. Yeah. Toyota Supra. Clean color. How you doing? How you doing, man? How you doing?
Man.
Yeah, what y'all got going on tonight?
We got a really good car show. We partnered with Drop Gear and
Okay.
Victory Vapors, obviously here in Plano.
Uh-huh.
And we had a great turnout tonight so far. We'll be here till 10. And I'm impressed, man. They really pulled out the whole crew.
So is this like every week, or is this like one
Every
thing?
week, Drop Gear does their meetups and their events, and we approach them like, hey, do you want to do we got a big parking lot. Do you want to do a show here?
Uh-huh.
Any of their locations they go to. So.
Yeah, it's getting bigger and bigger. You know what I'm saying? I'm seeing the turnout from where it was. So yeah, I just pulled up, but it was smaller than this. So I guess everybody coming from work and stuff, you know?
People.
What?
Yeah, 500.
That's crazy.
They had like 800 people total, something like that. I
Okay.
wasn't there. I was working.
Man. But yeah.
If you want to come check out the shop, feel free. We got all kinds of cool stuff in there.
Okay. I'll pop in. I'm just gonna get some
I know
content
the
right quick.
community guidelines don't like it in here too much though.
Okay. All right. Oh, this is a damn Lotus.
If you want to check it out.
All right, we'll do. All right, y'all. So we got the Lotus right here. Man, I don't think I've seen a Lotus in a long time, man. Because I used to think like they were just so small and they would never get bigger. But so far, so good. The interior is just like the McLaren and stuff like that. You got a manual shifter down there. The color on it does justice. Yeah. Give me all that, bro. Give me all that, man. The details. Engine in the back. Gotta zoom in on it.
They said Ultima? Yeah. Wait, did I send you all that picture? I don't know how I ended up. Oh, yeah.
Then we got a scat pack over here. Shaker. 392 with the Hemi in there. Big bore status. Big body. Got the trim on there, trim package. know I love my Mopars for sure. What is this, like a Jaguar? It's missing the emblem for real. Yeah, Jaguar. Alright. Yeah, what else is out here? Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what y'all like. Let me know what y'all like. Mopar with the hood off. And they doing car washes out here.
Yes, we are. We got this mic right here.
Man, that boy got the whole detail kit. For real. They just pull up and get a car wash?
Yes, sir.
How much?
It's not free though.
Okay.
It's 60.
Okay.
Well, hey, that's good.
I gotta
Perfect.
see this. You like, let's get it. Oh yeah, they ain't playing no games. They putting the tire stoppers down. Check that out.
Okay.
That mug ain't rolling nowhere. Gonna spread up. Yeah, this gonna turn out nice. Check out the works, y'all. Check out the works. Whoever thought you could come to a car meet and get your car washed? What do we have here? 5.0? Damn pipes humming, boy. Yes, sir. Hey, hit it one time. Yeah, this car was at the last car meet that I went to. It just didn't have the hood open.
I can find it for my year charger, but it's the updated
I feel like they be everywhere. Volkswagen. I don't know nothing about this engine. I'm gonna be honest with you.
I have to wait for a while for the warranty before I can like tune it or anything like that.
But I'll let y'all take a look at it. Tell me what y'all think. Y'all might see something y'all know about it. Let me know in the comment section. Somebody trying to set the scene off at the car meet.
It's not like a top fuel. Like it's still it's a 5.0.
If you look at my phone,
They still working on this Mustang over here. Got that dash. Got that dash ready for the 12. Hey bro. Hey bro. What kind of radar system that is?
It's the R7, I believe.
R7?
Yeah.
And then what's that right there to the left?
That's SCT. It's just like a tuning device basically.
Okay.
Yeah, but it also like acts as a gauge as well to check RPMs, voltage, all that good stuff.
So you got a dyno and everything?
I never got it dynoed. I just got it like the car should push around like 700 horsepower with like all the mods I got on it.
Oh, yo, you up there with the Hellcat then? Okay.
Yeah, a little bit faster than the Hellcat.
I heard that.
Good night.
All right, man. Y'all see the truck trying to stop my show. I don't know where he's going. That's a nice camera. Look at that big ass fucking wing on this shit. What the fuck? So I think they're gonna do a cruise probably later on, and we'll probably just stay with the group and then figure out what the next spot is. We running. Don't make no damn sense. Don't make no damn sense. It's cool to have your car loud, but there's level. That's all I gotta say. Loaded sound a little bit on the low side, but it is what it is.
Huh?
Any?
Watch, you can't
Hey,
open
y'all
the
ever
trunk
see
now.
the dead body?
Damn! Oh, there's legit. Oh, okay. There's legit a white girl back there. Help her out, goddammit. She's getting kidnapped. Was she a kid?
All right, your turn.
Oh, down the. Yeah.
They crazy, y'all. They crazy. How are people in the trunk?
All right, new car parts. Let's go.
Where they do that at?
No, look at this. Tall, young white man.
All right, y'all. So they almost done with the Mustang. Pretty much got the soap off. Just rinsing it off right now. Anybody can have them a car wash out their vehicle. It's time to hustle. There you go, right there. That's all the supplies you need. Working.
todo el tiempo tú puedes ver una persona fumando mota en el...
Alright, they got the front and the back done. Let's see how well they did.
Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Look. Are you,
Show me
look.
some. Show me some. One white. That's the technique, huh?
That is the technique. It's really the towel.
I know.
But yes, the technique is really good if you just lay it on. Let it dry.
Yeah, I gotta give me one of them.
It's really useful, like even if you don't want to sit here and call me like or someone like me every day.
Mm-hmm.
Not every day, but like every week or every 2 weeks. If you buy one of these, you can take it to the DIY, do it yourself, and then you have like a really good drying towel. Even if you're not a professional detailer yourself,
Bet.
you still get you're still like a little bit of a turn ahead, I would say, compared to other people that wash their cars
Out here
themselves.
teaching the game, man.
I always love educating. That's one thing that I mean, I have to do it sometimes when it comes to like paint correction and ceramic coating for my customers, but I genuinely enjoy it. I genuinely enjoy sharing the knowledge that I learned with this stuff, because this is not only is it a big investment, people are really emotionally attached to these vehicles, but it just feels good. It really does. It feels good to teach someone that something that they don't know.
You want to give a shout out?
Shout out.
Yeah, shout your business out, man.
So this is JX Auto Lab. Anywhere in DFW, we are fully mobile.
Okay.
We will come to you, detail the car. We could even do a boat, SUV. It doesn't matter. An RV. We've done it all. Semi truck. I've done a semi truck at their shop. So we've been running the business for about 2 years now. LLC, fully insured. We got it all going. Even did a police car at a car meet.
What?
That got a lot of views. And that was one of my dreams, honestly, to do a police car, to detail a police car.
You got a number for him?
Oh yeah, we got the number right here. Boom.
Let me zoom in on it. All right, there y'all go, man. 214-385-7756, man.
And the
Check 'em
Instagram, website, and the Facebook. It's all JX Auto Lab.
out. All right.
How about that? I
right,
appreciate that, man. Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Anytime, man. Oh, shoot.
I kind of missed that. I know it. You featured that.
All right, y'all heard it from himself. Y'all got the footage, the detail work. He ready to do it. Y'all can check out his prices and everything else. I don't think I'm going to do that Shops at Legacy Drive. I'll probably go ahead and chill out for the rest of the night, but I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. If you're new to the channel, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Like the video up, comment below, and subscribe. We on the road to 1K. We're getting there. Let's go ahead and drop this content. I'm out.